Good day, learners. Welcome to our day one probability in real life situations. What might happen? Tell if the following situations will really happen, is impossible to happen, or might happen. The sun will rise tomorrow. It will snow in the Philippines. You will eat lunch today. You will see a dinosaur on your way to school. In our lesson today, we will learn how to use the words likely, unlikely, most likely, and least likely to describe events that may happen in real life. When we talk about how possible something is to happen, we use these words. Likely, meaning it will probably happen. Example, it is likely to rain in June. Unlikely, meaning it will probably not happen. Example, it is unlikely to see snow in Manila. Most likely, meaning it is the event that will happen the most. Example, it is most likely that students will study on school days. Least likely, meaning it is the event that will happen the least. Example, it is least likely that a cat will bark. Simple real-life examples. Spinning a spinner. If a spinner has 3 red parts and 1 blue part, it is most likely to land on red and least likely to land on blue. Weather. During the rainy season, it is likely to rain. During summer, it is unlikely to rain. Classroom example. It is most likely that all students come to school wearing a uniform. It is least likely that a student will come in a superhero costume. When we describe if something will happen or not happen, we use these words. Likely, it will probably happen. Unlikely, it will probably not happen. Most likely, it is the event that happens more often. Least likely, it is the event that happens the least. Let's try this. Likely or unlikely game. Read the situations aloud. Raise your hands for likely or stay seated for unlikely. A fish will fly in the sky. You will eat breakfast tomorrow. The sun will rise tomorrow morning. You will go to the moon today. You will see a lion walking in your school. Your teacher will turn into a superhero during class. You will wear your school uniform on a school day. It will snow in the Philippines. We use likely, unlikely, most likely, and least likely to describe how possible something is to happen. Let's try this. Choose the correct answer. It is blank to see rain during summer. It is blank that the sun will rise tomorrow. It is blank that you will see an elephant walking in your classroom. In a bag with 8 red balls and 2 blue balls, getting a red ball is... During school days, it is blank that students will study their lesson. Welcome to our day 2. Likelihood of events in real life situations. Which one will surely happen? Which one will never happen? Which one has the same chance of happening? In our lesson today, we will learn how to describe events using the words certain to happen, impossible to happen, and equally likely. Certain to happen, meaning it will surely happen. Example, the sun will rise in the morning. Impossible to happen, meaning it will never happen. Example, a dog will fly in the sky. Equally likely, meaning each outcome has the same chance of happening. Example, when you toss a coin, it can land on head or tails. Simple real-life examples. Tossing a coin. The coin may land on heads or tails. Both outcomes are equally likely. Rolling a dice. The number 1 to 6 all have the same chance of showing up. Each number is equally likely. Weather example. It is certain to happen that the sun will rise every day. It is impossible for it to snow in the Philippines. We use special words to describe the chance of something happening. Certain to happen. It will surely happen. Impossible to happen. It will never happen. Equally likely, both outcomes have the same chance of happening. Let's try this. Possible or not game. Read each situation. You will say certain, impossible, or equally likely. You will see a horse reading a book. When you toss a coin, it can land on heads or tails? A dog will bark. The moon will be up at night. When you roll a die, you may get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Every day, we make predictions about what will happen. Understanding these ideas helps us think logically and make smart choices. Let's try this. Choose the correct answer. The sun will rise tomorrow morning. When you toss a coin, it will show heads or tails. A fish will walk on land. When you roll a fair die, getting 1 or 2 has the same chance. You will go to school on a school day. Welcome to our day 3, describing outcomes in simple events. Outcome observation. Read each situation. Answer likely, unlikely, equally likely, certain, or impossible. The bell will ring if there is an emergency. It will snow in the Philippines. You will eat breakfast tomorrow. When tossing a coin, it can land on heads or tails. A horse will drive a car. When we describe the chance that something will happen, we use certain to happen, meaning it will surely happen. Example, the sun will rise in the morning. Impossible to happen, meaning it will never happen. Example, a cat will sing like a human. Likely, meaning it will probably happen. Example, it is likely to rain in June. Unlikely, meaning it will probably not happen. Example, it is unlikely to snow in the Philippines. Equally likely, meaning each outcome has the same chance of happening. Example, when you toss a coin, it can land on heads or tails. Let's try this. Experiment challenge. Toss a coin 10 times and record results in a table. Roll a die 10 times and record which number appears most often. Welcome to our day 4, describing outcomes of simple experiments. Can it happen? Read each situation. Say yes if it can happen and no if it cannot. The rain will fall tomorrow. A cow will sing a song. When you toss a coin, you can get heads or tails. You will have your birthday this year. The classroom will fly to the moon. How did you know which can happen and which cannot? Some events are certain to happen, others are impossible. There are also events that may or may not happen. Today, we'll learn how to describe these events properly using the words certain, impossible, equally likely, most likely, and least likely. Certain, meaning it will surely happen. Example, the sun rises every morning. Impossible, meaning it will never happen. A dog will read a book. Equally likely, meaning each outcome has the same chance. Example, tossing a coin, heads or tails. Most likely, meaning it has greater chance to happen. Example, picking a red ball if there are many red ones. Least likely, meaning it has the smallest chance to happen. Example, picking a yellow ball if there's only one. Mina and the bag of buttons. Mina found a small bag full of buttons. There were 6 blue buttons, 3 red buttons, and 1 yellow button. Her teacher asked her to close her eyes and pick 1 button. Her friend Lisa guessed, "You'll probably get a blue button since there are so many." Mina said, "But what if I get the yellow one? That would be hard." Their teacher smiled. "You're both correct. Blue is most likely, yellow is least likely, and red is somewhere in between." Then their class tried the same activity using their own bags of buttons. What did Mina find inside the bag? Which color of button was most likely to be picked? Which color was least likely to be picked? Was it impossible to pick a red button? Why or why not? What did Mina and Lisa learn from the experiment? Certain means it will surely happen. Impossible means it will never happen. Equally likely means all outcomes have the same chance. Most likely means it has the highest chance to happen. Least likely means it has the smallest chance to happen. Let's read this. Read the sentences, respond with C for certain, I for impossible, ML for most likely, LL for least likely, and EL for equally likely. When you toss a coin, you may get heads or tails. A bird will drive a car. The sun will rise tomorrow. You will eat lunch today. A crocodile will wear shoes. Let's try this. Picking from a bag of colors. Thank you for watching. Till our next mathematics lesson. Goodbye.